Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will explain the recent invitation round results for 189 Australian PR visa and other general visa updates. First, we will see the 11th August invitation round results for 189 PR visa. It looks like the invitation round results were very small and the occupations were general practitioners and registered nurses only. There were no invitation for engineering occupations due to prevailing COVID situation. And this may continue in future rounds as well until October 2020. During October 2020, there is going to be a federal budget in Australia. So after the federal budget, we may see more invitations for 189 visa. So there is a new occupational ceilings announced for 2020 to 2021 fiscal year. This applies to independent visa, that is 189, skilled regional visa, that is 491 visa, and this is a limit on how many EOIs can be invited for skilled migration for a particular occupation group. This does not tell they have to invite this many invitations, but this is a maximum limit up to which they can invite. This ensures that the skilled migration program is not dominated by a small number of occupations. Next, once this limit is reached for a particular occupation, no further invitations for that particular occupation group will be issued for that particular year. For example, 2613 software application programmer, that particular ceiling is breached, they will not issue any further invitation for that particular occupation alone. They will issue invitation for other occupation group for that particular program year, which is 2020 to 2021. Invitations will then be allocated to intending migrants in other occupation groups even if they are lower ranking. That is the important point here. So you can follow this link here to know the various occupation ceilings for each occupations. Now we will see the state and territory update on 491 and 190 invitations. State and territories have received a very small allocation of places, that is until the federal budget on 6th of October 2020. So they have placed very strict conditions until that time. So if you are waiting for an invitation before this 6th October, you have to have a higher points to get an invitation. Otherwise, it is very difficult to get an invitation before 6th of October because they have given very small allocation for 491 and 190 occupations. These may only be used for occupations that are critical to the COVID economic recovery. So you have to understand the last point. Now we will see what are the occupations which are critical occupations and which are critical industry sectors. First, providing critical services including air ambulance, medical evacuations and delivering critical medical supplies. Next, maintain the supply of those essential goods and services such as medical technology, critical infrastructure, telecommunications, engineering and mining, supply chain logistics, agricultural technology, food production and the maritime industry. And last, delivering services in sectors critical to Australia's economic recovery, such as financial technology, large-scale manufacturing, film and television production, and emerging technology, where no Australian worker is available. This point is applicable to all the first 3 points because they will issue invitation only where no Australian worker is available for that particular occupation. So please do share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will post regular updates about Australian immigration and PTE Academy. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.